Hello everybody, this video is to show how to create data visualization in Google My Maps. So let's go to my maps, my maps.google.com. here, press enter. So we need to sign in. So I have my account here. Click next. Okay, here I am, my account with Google My Maps. See Google My Maps here, and these are the maps I created. So let's create a new map. Click on it. Once you are here, you want to create a new map, you can also go here, new map. Okay, so here we see the layers already here, the layer and untitled layer. If you want to add another layer, you click on add. Okay, so let's, under untitled new layer, let's click on port to import our first layer. So we have drag a CSV, XLSX, KML or GPX file here. Our first layer is a KML layer. So we are in JST data. Let's take CLCB outline. It's loading here. It's already loaded, and the name of the layer changes into LCB outline. Let's take CLCB outline or boundary of the convention. CLCB stands for conventional lake chat basin. So we go here, we type, we click on individual styles, and we change into uniform style. You see here, individual, it means you have severals and you have to take them individually, but here we have one uniform style. Or if you want to change into sequence of numbers, depending on your data, you click that way. And you see the sequence of numbers here. Uniform, see here. All items, 1. Style by data column, this is going to be for our second layer. Okay, so let's say take uniform. I want to see the boundaries, so let me take the sequence of number, and then no label for this. I click here, I edit, I delete this, and the title I type boundary, and I save. So I have boundary appear here. And here you see here, this is the area in the square kilometer. When we click on this, you have the border width. So you see here, this is the length of the border, 13,012 kilometers. So the border here, and the whole area here is 2,476,055 square kilometers. So we see here the polygon we have. Let's come back here. This polygon, you have its transparency. You can put to 0 or 100%. Sorry. So this is 100% transparent. And the border width here we can take dark color. So now you see it changes from blue to dark, and we can increase the border width. Okay, so let's bring it here. We take this button like this, you increase or you decrease the border width. So this, I think, is enough. Transparency is up to you. You can put it in the middle, 50%, or that way, just to have things that are within the polygon appear. Okay, so I take totally transparent. So this is our first layer. This is the polygon called the boundary. This is the outline of the conventional Lake Chad basin that covers all these countries from South Sudan to Sudan, Central African Republic, Chad, Niger, Nigeria, Cameroon, have Libya, we also have Algeria. So now we are going to add another layer. To add another layer, we click on add layer. Okay, so untitled layer appear here. We are going to click on import. So import data from a CSV file, spreadsheet, or KML, or so on. This time we are going to take a spreadsheet. These are the types of formats. We select from our device. Start with okay, here it is. LCB weather stations. These are the weather stations I want to take. Okay, it asks us here, choose columns to position your place marks. Select the column from your file that tells us where to put place marks on the map, such as addresses or latitude, longitude pairs, or columns will be imported. I just take the two, latitude, longitude, by default here. Click continue. Now choose a column to title your marker. So this time pick a column to use as the title for the place marks, such as the name or the location or person. So I choose a site name and I click finish. It's loading here, see loading. Okay, these are the weather stations. The Lake Chad basin. Click here if you want to rename. You click here, you go to rename this layer. Let me remove the extension, and yep, delete this and the weather stations. So you have two layers, weather station and the outline. Here this says uniform style. We are going to change this. Instead of uniform, we are going to take this style by column, by data column. Style by data column. Why? Because here we have weather stations that are active and those that are inactive. So we have a column for the life cycle state. Okay, life cycle. In this column, you have active and inactive. So by life cycle, and we see here actives and inactives. You can change the color of actives and inactive. You click here. I take yellow as color for the actives, and the icon here, you click for more icon, and I take the stars for the icon of the weather stations, and I click OK. So you see here everything is yellow in the stars. These are the actives. Then we go to inactive. Here the inactives, like let's say red, RGB. Okay, let's take this color for inactive, and the icon must be the same, the stars. So in yellow color we have active weather stations, in red we have inactive weather stations. Good. That's pretty much done. Here, if you want to put the names of the stations, instead of no label, you go to site name. So you see here, the site names appear. But it's really blurry. It's not good because too many labels. So let's remove. Let's put no labels instead of site name. No labels that way. So you have then the cities and the name of the city, the name of the capital cities, and the name of the countries. That's all. And the spatial distribution of the weather stations. So untitled map, we click that way, or we just come here. Yep, click that way to change the name. So let's say conventional lake Chad basin. Weather stations. And description, let's say this map shows the spatial distribution of weather stations in the conventional Lake Chad basin. Okay, this map shows the spatial distribution of weather stations in the conventional Lake Chad basin. We click save. Okay, so we have 48 active weather stations and 27 inactive. Pretty much done here. Copy map if you want to copy it. Open a map. That's maps already stored. you want to open, move to trash. So if you move to trash, you are going to delete your current map here. Set default view or embed on my site, export KML or print map. If you want to, let's first preview. This is the preview of our map. If you are okay with it, we can share from here. So if you are not okay, we edit. So we have a conventional lecture basin outline here. This is the legend, and this is the boundary, the title of the layer, and here the boundary here, and the second layer is the weather stations, and we have the active and the inactive. Okay. You come back here. If we want to print, we print. We here you click on these three dots and come here and you click on print. If you want portrait or landscape, I choose landscapes, and you print as PDF or as an image. I choose PDF and I click print. Okay, so this is pretty much our map within Africa here, heart of Africa, conventional lecture BC. There are a lot of things you need to do if you like to reduce the sizes of the resolution, everything. And once you are ready, you like to share your map, you have these options also. Add a marker, add marker, this select item. See this, click on this, it gives you the information about the station. So everything that is in the attribute table, the country is located in Niger, and it collects data about precipitation and air temperature, the start date and end date, the companies or the institution that install it. Okay, go here, this is inactive, station ID, lat, long, elevation with the institutions, all the information about. Draw a line if you like to. Measure distance, for instance, let's take this, you measure this distance to this. It's about 18,000 kilometers. 1,874 kilometers. Okay. Sorry. So you zoom out the map, have it bigger like this. zoom in. Let's print preview again. Let's see. Okay, good. So now if you feel that you are okay with your map, you need to share with with people, or as you already did it, you want to print it in PDF or an image. So to share, you click on this plus icon here, share. So you have to enable link sharing. So this is the link you have. The public, everyone on the internet can find and access if you want it. If you don't want it, that way, activate or deactivate. If you want to copy the link and send to people, click here. Another option is to come here, click on drive sharing, and that gives you an option to share with people through emails. So I have my name here. Sorry, this is me, so I can share with me myself. And when you click here, you have people with whom you like to share. So these are the people I have in my contact address. So if I would like to share with them, I share with them. Let me share with myself. This is my school. Well, it's going to send to me. So I click send. Notified people. You can take many people as you want to share with them. And I click send. So I'm going to receive it anyway. So I hope this video will help you in creating the visualization of your data using Google My Maps. Thank you for watching. If you have more layers, you just click add and then you work on how to set the styles and so on. You continue. So thank you for watching once more.